Come on, bud. This way. Toma, tell Boomer to move. Go, Boomer. Come on, bud. This way, Boomer. Boomer, come this way.
I think he wants to go again.
Well, he wants to go home. He can't pull you. He's too weak to pull you. Come on, bud. Let's go. Come on, Boomer. Whew, my hands are cold. Whew. Hello, people. Go, Boomer. Come on. Come on. Hey. He's too weak to pull you. Push. Now I'm pulling too. Go this way. Push. Boomer, come on. Come on, Boomer. Woohoo! Woohoo! Come on. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yay! Okay, that's it. You get off, Toma.
No, not yet. He didn't lick it. I think he's like...
Uh-oh, he peeing now.
Let's run over his pee.
No, don't run over his pee. Uh-oh, you got snow, Toma. Boomer, come this way. Whew. So, come on, Boomer. Boomer, this way. Go. Go, Boomer, come on. You crushed, Toma.
Yeah. Oh, come on.
Come on, Boomer.
Let's pull him.
Come on, Boomer. No. He can't pull you. You got stuck. Boomer, this way. Boomer, this way. Huh?
You laughing?
Laughing, yeah. He never cry. Yeah, your face is like a little... Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Uh-oh. Go get Daddy. Woohoo. Good job. We done. Get up, Toma. Get up, Toma. Okay, we're gonna find a spot again. Get up. Let's go change the spot.
That's it.
Bye-bye.